Good morning, this is Paul Reiber with Freedom Motors USA in Battle Creek, Michigan. Today we're looking at a vehicle we have in stock and inventory. It's an Amerivan, a side entry 2015 Dodge Grand Caravan SXT with an automatic deploying side entry push button wheelchair accessible ramp. This is a competitor vehicle. We did not manufacture this here at Freedom Motors. We have hundreds of wheelchair accessible vehicles in stock that we have converted right here at our manufacturing plant, including Dodge Grand Caravans, Toyota Siennas, Chrysler Pacificas, Chevy Silverados, Chevy Suburbans, GMC Yukons, GMC Sierras. We have a huge selection of wheelchair accessible vehicles. This one's a web special, only $34,995. Amerivan. It's only got 22,000 miles. We have two different 2016 models as well, which are RTs with leather, fancier wheels, a little bit higher mileage, same price. So we have three different side entry Amerivans, side entry Dodge Grand Caravans, all white, all three are white, and two of them are 2016 models, same price but the higher mileage. This one only has 22,000 miles, the other two have 37,000 and 32,000 respectively. And you've got the that's the attachment that goes into the floor for the seatbelt to keep you safe and in positioned and secure. It's got rear air conditioning, cloth interior. It's very clean, very low mileage. It's cloth plush interior, very nice interior. If you're interested in this vehicle, give us a call, 1-800-625-6335. We do offer in-house free demonstrations as well, and we offer nationwide delivery. This is only 22,000 miles, 2015 Dodge Grand Caravan SXT, dual power sliding doors, power rear hatch. Just one of many vehicles. We have hundreds of vehicles in our inventory in this warehouse where I'm standing. We have hundreds of wheelchair accessible vehicles. Check out our entire inventory, freedommotors.com, or scroll through our YouTube page and check out all the cool videos of the walk around videos of all the different vehicles we have in inventory. If you're interested in this vehicle, give us a call, 1-800-625-6335. Freedom Motors USA in Battle Creek, Michigan. Just one of the many beautiful vehicles we have in stock. This is a great deal, only $34,995 for a low mileage side entry wheelchair accessible van. Great deal. Give us a call if you're interested, 1-800-625-6335. Thanks for watching my video and have a great weekend, a great day.